Hey! If you're planning to start an online business but don't know which path to take, this video is for you. Let's quickly go over the main business models in e-commerce, and I'll explain each one in simple words. Small blue diamond emoji. 1. Dropshipping. This is the most beginner-friendly model. You don't need inventory. You list products from suppliers like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping, and when a customer buys, your supplier ships it directly to them. Low risk, low cost, but you need good product research. Small blue diamond emoji. 2. Private label. You take a generic product and brand it as your own. For example, you buy skincare bottles from Alibaba, put your label, and sell it under your brand. It's more profitable, but requires investment and time. Small blue diamond emoji. 3. Wholesale. You buy products in bulk at a discount and sell them individually online. Platforms like eBay or Amazon work well here. It gives you higher margins but needs upfront capital. Small blue diamond emoji. 4. Print on demand. Perfect for creatives. You upload custom designs and sell them on shirts, mugs, and more. The supplier prints and ships when someone buys. No inventory, just creativity and marketing. Small blue diamond emoji. 5. Digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, templates, or anything downloadable. You create once, and sell it over and over. High profit and zero shipping, but you need real value in your content. Small blue diamond emoji. 6. Affiliate marketing. Here, you promote other people's products using your special link. When someone buys through it, you earn a commission. You don't deal with products, just focus on marketing. Each model has its pros and cons, but if you're starting out, dropshipping is a great entry point. Low risk, and great learning curve if you do it right. Need help choosing the right model or setting up your store? Mobile phone with arrow emoji, message me on WhatsApp, +92 314 860 7127, email emoji, or email, fisker773@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Right pointing finger emoji. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips, tools, and step-by-step guides. See you in the next one.